ते
I am Dylan De Silva from Navali.
कितने वर्षां झाले ते फुटबॉल खेळाक लागले?
I started my career from when I was 6 years.
What is your experience of today's match as a goalkeeper?
We played very good today. Hard luck we considered in the last minute, but our boys gave our best. So good, we won in the penalties. So it's good teamwork, and I'm proud of our boys. We played very good today.
What are your future plans for the?
Future plan now is the next game in the semi-final. So we play how we play our normal game, like every game how we have performed, and we look forward to the finals now, reaching the finals.
What is the message for the youngsters that footballers that coming?
The youngsters, like, I hope they come up around, they watch ISL, the Premier League, the football is now, it's coming up in India, ISL, I-League, most of them. I want everyone to watch in the I-League, ISL, and hope they learn something from them and come up.
Navali Village Union and Proprietor Lori Dyer.
Back on the stick.